Remember when I reviewed this bad boy? Well, now we have his bigger brother. Let's take a look. Introducing the VACTIDY Nimble T8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Founded in 2013, VACTIDY, a household cleaning appliance brand that introduces easier cleaning solutions for everyone across the globe. Their vision is to develop a product with function and quality at a reasonable price with outstanding service. They're dedicated to providing easy to use and cost effective durable cleaning assistance. Let's take a look at some of the functions. 2-in-1 mopping robot vacuum. Powerful suction with ease. Compact and flat design, long run time and automatic charging. Diverse cleaning modes, dual side brushes. Gyro Navtech effectively reduces the chance of bumping into obstacles thanks to the motion obstacle avoidance function and zigzag cleaning route. Slim and quiet. With a long run time, with 2,500 milliamps capacity, the T8 runs up to 100 minutes clean, which is 1,300 square foot without disruption. User-friendly app by using the VACTIDY Smart App, schedule cleaning tasks while you're away. Automatically boost to max mode when vacuuming on carpet. Auto docking feature. And can be used by your smart devices using your voice. So to finish with, it's quiet, no louder than an electric toothbrush. 4 different cleaning modes, which you can do via the remote control or the app. And one of the most important key features is that this can mop and vacuum. It has 250ml dustbin, which is easy to empty and clean, and a 230ml water tank with 4 levels of water flow. And of course, with this one, you get the upgraded navigation and obstacle avoidance. What do you think of that then? Eh? Well, personally, it comes in very handy for people like us. When we're out and about, we can set this, get it off cleaning. If it's something you're interested in, guys, go check out the links in the description below. Go grab yourself a bargain. Should be £299, now down to £159. Can't go wrong, can you? Go get it, guys. Grab a bargain. Links down below. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.